finding the solution of equations. This is a new E word that we have right here, equations. What does the word equation sound like? What does it sound like? Equation. What is it?
Equal.
Equal, okay? So we have been working with expressions, another E word. We've been working with expressions. Alex, I shouldn't have you talking while I'm talking, friend. Thank you. Okay, so we've been working with expressions. Another word for an expression is what? It starts with a P.
Problem.
Yeah, so we were working with expressions. An equation, it is an expression. It just has an equal sign in it, okay? Yes, my dear. Make sure that you do not miss any of this lesson because we need it, so go quick. 2/, what's today? 10? 10. Pass it back to Dominic. Thank you. All right. So today we are going to be working with equal expressions, and they're called equations. So I have some vocabulary words for you here. Our first one is an equation. It is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. This is the big important word right here, that they're equal. It has an equal sign in it. So in your math journal, please write an equal sign because that's relevant, okay? Our second vocabulary word, it is solution of equation. It's where the value of a variable that makes an expression true. You're going to decide, is it a solution, is it, or is it not? So we're asking yes or no. So today, the way that we're going to do this, there are 4 steps. Step 1, you're going to write the problem. Step 2, you are going to rewrite the problem with a variable. We've done this before. Step 3, we're going to solve. And then step 4, you're going to say, is it equal, yes or no? So we're going to work on step 1 altogether. There are 3 problems that I want you guys to look at today. And I'm just easing you in. So problem number 1, I have so many people chatting today. I'm not sure what the issue is. I know, I can see who it is. I'm ready to teach and I need students who are ready to learn right now. Okay, so problem number 1 is x minus 7 equals 15. And we want to know, is this a solution if x equals 1? Okay, so I need pencils up once you've done step 1, where you wrote the problem out. Lexi has it written out, Hannah does, thank you, Connor does. Okay, so step 2, I'm going to rewrite the problem with the value of the variable. So the value of x is really what, friends? 1. Oh, I think I wrote this wrong. Oh, just kidding, it's not 1, it's 8, I apologize.
I was going to say.
I am super thrown off because I don't have my friends that are here with me paying attention. I apologize. Okay. So the value of x is really what? 8. Thank you. So I'm going to rewrite this as 8 minus 7 equals 15. Okay. Step 3, I'm going to solve it. 8 minus 1 is what? I'm dying here. 8 minus 7 is what? 1. Thank you. And then we're going to set it equal to the number that they gave us. So 1 equals 15. Is this true? Yes or no? No. So this is not a solution. This is what we're working on today. This is what we're going to be working on today. My first example, it's with whole numbers. I'm going to give you an example with decimals and then an example with fractions because that's also what we're going to be working with today. Okay. So my second example is with decimals. Okay. So we have 15.2 plus y equals 22. Okay. Where y equals 6.8. What do I need to do at this point right here? Touch your nose if you know what we need to do. I need to what?
Right.
Yeah, rewrite it with the value of y in it. So I'm going to rewrite it again as 15.2 plus 6.8 equals 22. Well, just a friendly reminder, and I know you guys know, but just a friendly reminder, when we are adding with decimals, How do we take care of them again?
Line
Line them up. Yeah, so let's line them up. So I have 15.2 plus 6.8. And notice how my decimals are lined straight up. 2 plus 8 is
10.
10. 1 plus 5
6.
plus 6.
12.
Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. Okay, so my answer here is 22. So I'm going to rewrite it again as 22 equals 22. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a solution. Easy enough, right? So I have one more example, and it's with a fraction. It is 1/2 q equals 4, where q equals 8. Okay, and so I am going to rewrite it as 1/2. And here's a question. When we have a coefficient and a variable next to each other, what are we doing here? Am I adding them, subtracting them, multiplying, or dividing them? Whisper to your neighbor what we're doing. And then everyone tell me, what are we doing?
Multiplying.
Yeah, we're going to multiply it. 1/2 times 4. Oh, no, 1/2 times 8. Dang it.
Can you go to the dentist for socks?
Honey, I went to the dentist like 2 weeks ago. And I'm still emotionally scarred. Okay, 1/2 times, 1/2 times 8. And then we're going to set it equal to 4. When I am multiplying fractions, I'm going to put a 1 underneath my whole number. And then, how do I multiply fractions again? What do? How do I remember it?
Top to top, bottom to bottom.
Perfect. Top to top, bottom to bottom. So let's do 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is what?
8.
8. And then 2 times 1 is what?
2.
2. Is this in simplest form, yes or no?
No.
No. What does 8 have to reduce down to?
4.
4. Yep, just 4. 4 over 4. 4 equals 4. Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the solution. Okay? It is so hard for me sometimes. Okay, so 4 equals 4. It is a solution. So when you were working on your assignment today, it's the same good practices that we have done before in class, where I want you guys to pick it apart and go line by line and take it piece by piece. And then when you get to the very end, you're going to say, do my numbers equal each other? Do 1 and 15 equal each other?
No.
Lexi knows. Do they equal each other?
No.
So this is not a solution. How about 22 and 22? Do they equal each other?
Yes.
Yes, so that's a solution. How about 4 and 4? Is that a solution? Yes. Okay, so on your assignment today, you're either going to say it is not a solution or it is a solution. Once your math journal matches my math journal, I need to open on the corner of your desk, pull out your whiteboard.